Good YouTube, it's your boy Quanny Smooth, back with another video. I just came home from a slight drum session with my cousin and friends. Straight killed it tonight. Just want y'all to know, killed it. It's a must watch. I want y'all to please watch this video close and listen to it. And give me a thumbs up, thumbs down if y'all didn't like it or like it. Leave comments below, subscribe to the channel, turn notification on. It's your boy Quanny Smooth. Hope y'all enjoy it.
I forgot name. I can't buy where the rain. Keep your time.
Make sure y'all go like and subscribe to your boy YouTube channel. Link is gonna be in my bio, in the bottom of this video. It's your boy Quanny Smooth. Y'all give me thumbs up if y'all like the drum session or whatever. It's your boy Quanny Smooth. I'm out. Also, don't forget to tell your aunties, your moms, your sisters, your brother, anybody to go like and subscribe right now.